Welcome back to another daily Dogecoin update. We have looked at the higher time frames. We'll look at the daily again. We can see the daily is curving down. The weekly, we don't really need to look at that. 2-day time frame is getting ready for bounce, as is the 3-day. So now let's go down to the 8-hour. The 8-hour chart had this massive falling wedge that I thought was going to break to the upside. The measure move was 25 cents. You got a little bit of a breakout, but then the daily chart, like I said, got overbought. You made a, that's another lower high because the previous high. Well, to be honest with you, the daily actually did just put in a higher high up to 17 cents. So now you want to see if you can put a higher low in at above 12 cents. That's kind of what we're looking at because ever so slightly, the previous high, as far as I'm aware, is 16.7, and then this was a high up to 17 cents. So to me, that's a slightly higher high. Now you want to see a higher low put in. So I would prefer it to be significantly above 12 cents. Right now, we're sitting basically at 14.7 cents. So that's what you would like to see if you're looking at Dogecoin. The 8-hour chart looks good, and it looks bullish to me for a possible move to the upside here again. We'll also go down and look at the smaller time frames below this. But technically, to me, this looks pretty good if the 8-hour chart can get the bounce. The 8-hour chart falling wedge could take you up to basically 19.5, and then you'd have to probably consolidate, get another little flag here, or a falling wedge, and then hopefully break out to the 25 cent region or mark on the higher time frame, such as the 3-day time frame. So that's kind of what I would like to see price action do over the next few days. We'll see what happens. Going and down and looking at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart hasn't started really curving up on the stock RSI, but it's trying to ever so slightly. So that's kind of what I'm watching right now for Dogecoin. The 2-hour chart is getting the aggressive move up, but you can see that's probably going to make a lower high. So really the 2-hour chart to me right now is not bullish, nor is the 1-hour. 1-hour chart is overbought, making a lower high. So as far as I'm aware right now and concerned, those time frames are still bearish as of right now. On the 33-minute time frame, which I like to trade a lot, you're below the 200. You're below the moving average, 200-day moving average. So the 33-minute is now making a lower high. So really, it's likely that if you don't break out here, that it's likely that this is going to roll over to the downside, make another lower low, and eventually hit 12 cents. You want to see a higher low put in on 12 cents on the 3-day, though. So I think it's more likely than not that you continue slow grinding down to 12, 13 cents, hopefully put a higher low in there. And if you can hold 12 cents or higher and get the bounce, then on the 3-day time frame, that is still a bullish consolidation. If you lose 12 cents, then it's not bullish anymore. And then the next stop below 12 cents would be 10.5 cents. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I do appreciate all the new subscriptions. It does help my channel as crypto is struggling to do much of anything right now. But that's what I'm looking at on Dogecoin. I'll see you tomorrow for another daily Dogecoin update.